Hey, it's Amia Renee. Today I'll be doing a demo on products provided by HYDRATHERMA Naturals. So the first product is HYDRATHERMA Naturals Moisture Plus Hair Cleanser. The second product from HYDRATHERMA Naturals is the Moisture Boosting Deep Conditioning Treatment. The third product from the line is their Aloe Curl Enhancing Twisting Cream. If anybody who watches my video knows how much I love aloe vera for my hair, this product felt so good on my hair. It's nice and light. It felt like it was moisturizing my hair. It also says it's great for twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, and finger curls. The last item from HYDRATHERMA Naturals is their Botanical Defining Gel. Now that I have shown you all the products, let's jump into the demo of me showing you how to use them. After shampooing my hair, I'm going to go in next with the Moisture Boosting Deep Conditioning Treatment. After using the shampoo, my hair feels extremely clean. So clean that I need some moisture back in my hair. I feel like it might be a little bit stripping from my hair texture or my hair type, but it definitely worked. It felt really, really clean. It had good slip too as well. So this deep conditioner says that it contains extracts of seaweed, algae, sea kelp, along with wheat protein and essential oils. It's mineral oil free, paraben free, petroleum free, and it's good for pH balance. Yeah, I really like the way it smells. Smell like candy, some kind of candy, I don't know off the top of my head, but it smells really good to me. That was good. Seems like a little bit goes a long way. I didn't put that much on my hand and it already coated the whole section. I'm trying to learn that a little bit goes a long way. I don't have to overdo the products. I don't have to use a whole jar one day. With all the conditioner in my hair, and I cannot find my heating cap, and I do not feel like it's under my steamer, so I got my little t-shirt, drenched it in water and put it in the microwave for a minute. See that steam? A minute and a half. Make my own little heating cap. Ooh, this is hot. To trap in the heat, to make sure it penetrates my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and put a supermarket bag over top of my heated t-shirt. Well, this is my little, I guess you could say, little hood version of my heating cap. So I'm not sitting under the steamer. Alright, so let me sit over here for 10 minutes. Rinse it out, and then I'll be back. I went ahead and blow dried my hair. You don't have to blow dry your hair. For what I'm going to do is just some flat twists. You can do it on wet hair or air dried hair. But for me, I wanted my hair to have more length. So I went ahead and blow dried it. So now I'm going in with the Aloe Curl Enhancing Twisting Cream. Smell like product, like a hair product. How do I want to do this? I think I'm just going to do like some gangster style, just straight down. going to grab the gel. And yes, I do have to smell every product. Is that weird? Just a little bit. And add it to the end. And finish twisting the end. Y'all got my ends curly. Can we just stop and take a moment and look how defined my twists are? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.